See, it's very, very clear that the Kashmir issue is to be handled bilaterally between India and Pakistan. There is no question of any outside force coming into being, leave alone the United States.
और इस मौके के ऊपर मैं अमेरिका के सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का भी खुलूस दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं, जिन्होंने अपनी टीम के साथ मिलकर जंग बंदी के लिए मस्बत और ठोस किरदार अदा किया। मुझे कभी उम्मीद है कि खित्ते में देर पा अमन के लिए सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप कश्मीर का मसला अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की करारदादों और इंसाफ के तकाज़ों के मुताबिक हल करवाने में अपना भरपूर किरदार अदा करेंगे।
And these are signs of desperate measures. I can now understand why General Munir is time and again going to Pakistan, because he's wanting to rake up this issue with the United States to intervene. And our stand has been very, very clear to Pakistan that this is a bilateral issue, and we will not interfere any third-party intervention. If you remember, President Trump also immediately after Operation Sindoor, he made a statement that he is ready to mediate in Kashmir, and there was a strong statement from our Ministry of External Affairs to state that U.S. has no role as far as mediation is concerned. And I think Pakistan also knows very, very clearly. So I think this is an attempt to try to once again internationalize this issue. And since this recent bonhomie we are seeing between Pakistan and the USA, Pakistan is wanting to cash on this sort of a situation and put pressure on India. But we are absolutely very, very clear as far as India is concerned that we will not accept any third-party mediation into Kashmir. And one thing more I'd like to add, I think this is a direct result of the Indus Water Treaty also, because if you remember yesterday, there was a statement from Shahbaz Sharif on Indus Water. A day before, Bilawal Bhutto spoke, and then Jal Munir also spoke. So I think this is, they are strategizing this entire issue in trying to bring every day some new pressure points in which they can impose some kind of pressure on India to come to the table to discuss Indus Water. We are very, very clear that Kashmir is not on the table. Kashmir is not for discussion. In case Pakistan wants to come to a discussion on Indus Water Treaty, India has said that they are ready for that. So I think this message is loud and clear to Pakistan.